Hey guys, what's up? It's Tara. Welcome back to my annual winter Rave and festival clothing try on haul. Let's go! I did this video last year and you guys went fucking crazy for it, so I was like, obviously I'm gonna do it again. If you guys didn't know, I'm going to be going to Snow Globe again this year, which is an EDM based festival in Lake Tahoe, in South Lake Tahoe in California, and it is a cold festival, and I mean cold as fuck. And cold festivals are a different type of monster, and you really have to be prepared for these when you go. You still want to look cute, but you have to be warm because it can be like pretty dangerous at nighttime, like if you're really cold and you're under the influence and you don't really know what's going on. So you have to be fucking prepared, okay? And I went hard, you guys. I just go super hard for festivals in general, but because it's a winter festival, a cold festival, clothes are a lot bigger and you need a lot more of them. So in turn of that, I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. Also, how cute are my nails? You guys should go watch my last video. It was funny. Anyway, so before I get started in the haul, as you guys are watching this, this video is going up on Sunday, which means it is day one of Snow Globe, which means you have to go to my fucking Instagram and follow me because I'm going to be spamming you guys all the way until New Year's Eve. Probably even after that. It's gonna be wild. I have such good looks planned. Go follow me. My Instagram is @Tara0Neil. Right now, I am literally in Tahoe right now as you're watching this, getting turned. Without further ado, let me show you guys everything that I got for Snow Globe. Okay, so we're gonna start off with DollsKill. So the first thing that I have from DollsKill is this super cute and tiny black baby tee that says Got Snow. I'm gonna try and go through all this shit pretty quick because there's a lot of it. So it's a little black baby tee, says Got Snow. This is reflective, so sick, really love it. And I got that to wear with a reflective fucking snowsuit to wear with it because basically it's reflective. This is reflective, it has black trim, and then my top is black. It has buckles to cinch you in. If you guys want to wear this snowboarding or skiing, you can, but they're actually not water resistant, I don't think, or they're not actually made for sporting in, but you can wear them anyway. But just so you know, if you do get like wet and shit like that, it's because it's really fashion, it's not like sportswear. Moving on. I got another jacket. You're gonna need a lot of jackets when you go, clearly, because it's literally freezing. So I got this cute little iridescent puffer jacket. It's actually cropped. It's not even that long. And the iridescent is like pink, silver, and green. It kind of reminds me of the Northern Lights. I think it's so cute. It's this amazing like shearling, whatever it is, like polar bear fluffy jacket, and I love it because these horizontal details are diamonds, which I'm living for. So this is so cute, and it's like simple and white. Imagine wearing this in the snow and like matching earmuffs, like so freaking cute. So we love that. I recently picked up another one of these reflective jackets because I just like to wear these a lot in general. Like I wear this in my everyday life like pretty often. So I just picked up one of those. It's like a little reflective 3M puffer. Honestly, you can't go wrong. And I really loved that. You guys are not going to understand what this literally is when I hold it up, but I'll try it on. You guys will get the vibe. I got this iridescent like prism catsuit, and it's all cutouts. And it has legs with chains on it. This is so sick. Clearly, I will not actually be wearing this to the festival at Snow Globe. I just wanted it anyways, and I think it would be really cool. Saray and I got these in matching colors, so we could wear them together and be like twinning for a photo. But there's no fucking way we can wear this to Snow Globe. It's just way too cold, so maybe I'll use it for like another occasion, but definitely for a twin pic with Saray. It's gonna be like so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna save the best thing for last from DollsKill because like that's just the type of mood that I'm in right now. But moving on to accessories really quick, I actually picked up some sunglasses. And if you guys have seen me in my outfits, you would know I don't wear sunglasses that much, but snow is like really reflective and sometimes it's super bright, and also in the day sometimes when you're like partying and you look really fucked up, it's like good to have sunglasses on. So I got these ones. They're silver mirrored glasses with like little studs around the edges. They're so extra, like I'm famous, or I just got eye surgery and I can't fucking see anything, or I'm 80 years old and blind, that kind of vibe. These are a super cute pair of like those really horizontal rectangle glasses, and I just got them in white, and they also have cute little studs all the way around the edges. So I feel like those look like this. I got this chain. As you guys know, I love chains for festival accessories, or kind of just like in general. So I picked up this chain, and it actually, I think I really want to put it on a pair of pants that I'm gonna wear, like on my waist or my side, you know, just to accessorize a little bit. But I think it's actually supposed to be a necklace, but I want to wear it as like a waist chain. I picked up this other little chain necklace that actually is really cool. If you see it, these are like little smiley faces, and they all are different. Like one's happy, one's like tripping, one's sad, one's like meh. As a really cute hair accessory, they had these little extensions that were chains, and I was like, oh my god, what if you had like a ponytail or something, or you wore your hair like this and you had some on this side and some on this side. I only got one. I should get two. I should really get another one. But like, so cute. I got a pair of gloves, and I actually have some more gloves to show you guys, because gloves are fucking key. These actually are really cute ones that say fuck the cold, which I think is like just really funny. Okay, so it's not that I want gloves when I'm standing outside. I want gloves for when I'm holding my beer, because last year I did not have gloves, and on the last day of Snow Globe it was really cold, and I was holding a beer, and I was like, my hands are icicles. So this year I have gloves on deck. Do not sleep on gloves. Very important. I was shook over this last thing that was in this package from DollsKill. I was like definitely not expecting this to be in there, but my friend Kelly fucking hooked it up, and she sent me a new pair of the bling boots. But these are like the knee-high bling boots, so like they're a little bit more heavy duty. I have the ankle ones back there, but I've absolutely trashed mine, but like, hell yeah. Yeah, I'm fucking stoked on these. These are wild. I just like love sparkles. You guys already know that. I love sparkles. Okay, so that is the DollsKill portion over. Thank you so much to DollsKill for sending those to me. I will absolutely be wearing all that shit and repping my DollsKill fam at Snow Globe this weekend. I can't fucking wait. But now we're gonna move on to small independent places, or just like other stores. I've shown this before in another video, but I just wanted to show it again here because I wanted to give a shout out to the site Cocaineslim. I got this super cute bootleg Louis Vuitton bikini with a Playboy symbol on it, and these are the bottoms. This is the top, which is so cute. I really want to do one of those like little like thoughty photos in the snow wearing a bikini. It's so basic, but like I really want to do it. So I plan on using this to do that with. And that's from Cocaineslim. Super cool independent artist based in Bali. Absolutely check him out. Sick stuff. This would not be a festival try-on haul if there wasn't a pair of Fox racing pants. Let's be fucking real, okay? So I picked up a new pair of Fox racing pants, and I already know some of you guys are gonna be like, that looks like your original pair, but I swear they're different. Like, you know when you buy a new nude lipstick and your boyfriend is like, that literally looks like the other one that you wear all the time, and you're like, no, they're different? These are different. It's just like that. What a fucking weird comparison I just did just then. Anyway, I just love Fox racing pants, you guys. They're just always gonna be my thing. I think there's like 4 or 5 colors on these. Purple, pink, blue, and then as you go down the leg, there's green on the back, which is just sick. I'm gonna have like a really colorful outfit, so that's gonna be what these are for, and like my nails like match like fully the pants. So these are dope. If you guys are wondering about Fox racing pants, because I get a lot of questions about them, you shop in the moto section, not women's, not men. You shop in the moto section, and they are a men's fit, and I buy a size 28, which is the smallest men's size that you can buy. I wear leggings under these, especially when I'm at Snow Globe. I don't wear leggings under them if I'm at like a warm festival, but if I'm at a cold festival, I wear leggings, which can make them a little bit tighter, so that might help some of you guys if you're too petite to wear this. Yeah, so I'm so excited that I picked up another pair of these. I know this video is long, you guys, just bear with me. We are getting through it all. I told you I went hard. I told you I went in. I picked up this super cute crop top that has reflective stripes on it, and then it has a buckle in the middle that like kind of pushes, well, it doesn't push my boobs together, but like it's basically like a little glory hole or like a little keyhole for your boobs or for your cleavage, and it's long sleeve. It's very cool. It kind of reminds me of like transformery, like futuristic vibes, and this is by the brand Kiki Riki, but I bought it off of DollsKill. Next, I can't wait to wear these. They're jeans, and they're actually by the brand Jaded London, who I really love. These are the pants. They're blue lightning. They're actually denim, so they're jeans. So they're blue lightning jeans. They are so fucking cool, you guys, and they're straight legged. Like, I'm so into these. I cannot wait to wear these at Snow Globe. So I'm gonna wear leggings under these too. The cool thing about these is that they used to only be made for men on their site, and then they made some jeans for women, so now they're unisex. Definitely check that out on their site. Super cool brand, love them. Okay, I wore this to a Lenium in Seattle, and I got a lot of questions about where it was from, and I'm kind of like flip-flopping on if I even want to share where this is from because I'm really fucking mad about it. So I got this, not about the piece. The piece is amazing. This is honestly stunning, like sage reflective silver crop top, and it has chain accents at the bottom. I am so about this top. I am so about it, it's not even funny. But the thing that I am upset about is that, okay, so basically it's from this brand called Cocoon Clothing. I will link them down below. You can totally support her. She's from Australia, and she's like a small independent artist. So absolutely, she has fire stuff, like really good stuff for transformative festival vibes as well. But it took 2 months for me to get this. It was originally for Base Canyon, but it took so long to come that I think it actually came like a month and a half after Base Canyon was over, and I ordered it 3 weeks before Base Canyon started. So like, I don't know. I think my order actually just got like lost somehow. I don't think that it typically takes that long to receive things from there, but I just want to let you guys know, like, if you do order something from there and it takes a really long time, that happened to me too. So you really have to plan in advance if you're going to purchase from them. That's just my experience and my tips. That might not happen every time, but I just have to share my experience just to keep it fucking real with you guys. So even though it takes a while, I will reorder from her. Like, she has super sick stuff. So I picked up 2 things off of Pre-Workshop, which is a website that I really like. I wanted to pick up one of the fanny packs because, as you guys know, I don't really like wearing anything besides backpacks or fanny packs, and this is a really cool industrial vibe one. It's just black, has a bunch of pockets and zippers, and I really like the strap that goes around you. So it just says Pre-Workshop, and then this is a buckle that you can attach or detach like that. And I don't know, this is something that's really cool for like streetwear fashion, but also perfect for festivals to put all your stuff in because the pockets are pretty big, which is nice. This is a Pre-Workshop bodysuit. They have some in orange, they have a black one, and they have a neon pink one, but I wanted this neon yellow one. And on the sleeves right here it just says Pre on both sides, and it is a high cut bodysuit, which means that like it clips at the bottom, but then the waist is gonna go like above your hips and like cinch in your waist, so you kind of actually have a gap in between your pants unless you're wearing like really high-waisted pants. And I don't know, I'm really excited to wear this. I have such a good outfit planned for this bad boy right here. So we're on the last leg of this haul. I picked up a bunch of random shit off of Amazon because Amazon literally has everything you could ever need. They have all the accessories and they have really fast shipping. It comes in like a day or 2, and it's just like really cheap random stuff that you can accessorize your outfits with to like really kill it. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from Amazon. 2 skiing gloves. Like I said, I really did not like having cold hands last year, so I picked these up. I got a pink and black pair, and I got a plain black pair. I picked up a bunch of ski masks, which you guys know is like my thing. And in the new year, we will be doing something very exciting with ski masks, so keep an eye out for that. People always ask me, what do you search to find these? And you search 3-hole ski mask. That's it, and a bunch of them come up. So I got neon yellow, black, light pink, this kind of foresty but also neon green, and white. So I had some of those colors already, but actually a bunch of my Rave fam from Base Canyon like escaped with a bunch of my ski masks, so I had to order a bunch more, so I had to grab those. And the last thing that I got is I got a bunch of rhinestones and face gems. These are all the colorful ones of the rainbow, and these are just different size, like clear crystal ones. And let's be real, every girl needs some crystals and rhinestones in their makeup collection now, specifically because of Euphoria, and I am okay with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this try on haul. I really hope you liked this video. I hope you guys got some really good festival inspo from this try on haul. Keep an eye out on my upcoming videos. I'm doing a ton of get ready with me's and things like that based on Snow Globe. I absolutely cannot wait to get to Tahoe and rock all this stuff and hopefully not die of hypothermia. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell, my post notification bell, because you're about to get hit with a fuck ton of content that you're gonna love. So I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching and listening to me ramble on about all these fucking random ass crazy clothes. I love you guys so, so much. And oh my God, see you in the new year. Weird. Bye.